So class 8, today in your GK moral science class, let's continue with chapter number 28. Till 27 we had completed in the last class. So let's start it. First is carpenter cuts a 10-foot plank into 10 equal sections. If it takes 1 minute per cut, how long will it take him to get 10 equal pieces? So Ananya has given the answer, that is the answer is 9 minutes. So I'm asking the same, that why it is so? Why only
Ma'am,
9 minutes? Yes.
because whenever we cut anything, one piece cuts on its own.
Okay. So 1 minute, one piece is cuts in its own. So the answer will be 9 minutes. Second, which number when added to this 5 by 4 gives the same result as when it is multiplied with 5 by 4? So children,
5.
you have to give the answer for it. This all questions is your mathematics. Next, number 3. In the square below, a rule applies both from top to bottom and from left to right. Find the rule and give out the missing number. So we had to search for it. Means the
Ma'am,
same
answer is
rule.
2.
Yes, same rule we are following from left to right and from downwards, from top to the
Ma'am,
bottom.
subtraction is there.
Subtraction is there. How? 6
Ma'am,
subtract
6
2.
minus 4, 2. 6
Yes.
minus 4, 2. And 2
6
minus
minus 2
0
is 4.
equals to 2.
Okay. And 4 minus, yes, see children, if we see in this way, see in different ways, in both of the ways. See, if we see like this, in this form, that what will happen? The you are subtracting 6 minus 2 equals to 4. Similarly, if we are going downwards, then 2 we are following the same pattern. That is, what is the pattern? 6 minus 2 equals to 4. Even downwards from here, 4 minus 0 is 2, means the subtraction. Find out the rule and figure out the missing number. So missing number, which one is a missing number here?
2.
2 is a missing number. Yes. So kindly write down 2 is the missing number. And what is the rule over here? That is the subtraction. Subtraction is the rule. Got it, children? Next is read the next question, number 4. A snail is at the bottom of a well and wants to get out. He managed to crawl up the wall 3 feet each day, but at night he must rest. So she slips back down 2 feet. If the well is 30 feet deep, how many days will it take to get out? I hope you have understood. The well is 30 feet deep. Okay. During the day, she moves 3 steps forward, but at night, she comes back 2 steps back. Okay. Now we have to count that how much days will it take to get out of it. Means the distance to be covered is 30 feet. Distance to be covered is 30 feet. And daily, you just check how much time, how much feet it is covering. I hope that 1 feet it is covering. Because 3 feet वो आगे चलती है, but 2 feet फिर दोबारा से पीछे आ जाती है. So how much?
Ma'am, 30 days.
Yes. How
Ma'am,
many days
3
will it
days.
take? So simply you may write down that 30 days. Because per day you can count 3 minus 2, 3 feet minus 2. So 30 days it will take. 30 days will be taken by the snail to come out of it. I hope each one of you have done it. Till here, everybody has done. Next.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Next
ma'am.
question number 5 is, what is a missing number in this arrangement? What is the missing number in this arrangement?
Ma'am, 341.
First of all, you have to find out the sequence, that why it is so. What is the sequence? In 1, from left to right, 1 to 5, it's written. Then 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 7, 15, 31. Why it is so? You need to set a relationship between these. So what is the relationship? Can you tell? Yes, Ananya.
Ma'am, first line I don't know, but from second line it's something like that. 3 ones are 3, then 3 twos are 6, then 1 is added to it 7,
Okay.
and then 7 threes
7
threes are
2s are
7 twos are, yes ma'am, 7
14.
twos are
Again
14,
1
then
is
1
added.
15.
15 2s are 30. Even 1 is added. After that, in the third row, what's it?
Ma'am, again it is in it it's a 3. Ma'am,
It's
something
3.
1
Now
2
we are
3.
multiplying by 3. Okay, 4 multiplied by 3 is 12 plus 1 added. 13 by 3, 39 plus 1 is added. 40 multiplied by 3, 120, 1 is added. Similarly with the 5.
Yes ma'am.
Next with the 4. 5,
Yes
we
ma'am.
are adding, multiplying by 4, 20. Then 1 we had added, 21. 21 into 4, 5, 4.
84.
84, sorry, and then 1 is added. Now 85 will be multiplied by 4 and add 1.
Ma'am, it's 340 and 1 341.
So your answer will be 341 here. Did you understood, children? I hope each one of you have understood the concept. Next, question number 6. Water lies double in an area every 24 hours. In spring, is the water lily on a lake? In the 60 days, the lake is completely covered with the lilies. How many days it will take to cover the half of the lake? So children, first of all, read the question and then try to understand and then find the answer. Okay. So the answer of question number 6 is, आपसे पूछा गया है, how many days does it take to cover half of the lake? So half of the lake, when it will be covered? Tell me.
Ma'am, 59 days.
The answer will be 59 days. So children, you may write down the answer. And I think you should know the reason also why that happens. 59 days is the right answer. Next is, a bird has a head 12 centimeter long head. A bird has a head 12 centimeter long. The tail is equal to the size of the head plus half of its size of the body. The body is the size of the head plus tail. So how long is the bird? So first of all, find out the size of the head plus tail. Head is 12 centimeter long. Tail is, how much the tail is? Tail is equal to the size of head, means 12 plus half.
Ma'am, 48 centimeter long.
48 centimeter aega, but how you have to solve it also? You have to solve,
Ma'am, I have
children.
solved it at my
If he has solved, 48 centimeter is the answer, but you should have to solve it. It's very interesting question. Next, a student got thrice as many sums right as he got wrong. So first line, a student got thrice as many sums right as he got wrong. If he attempted 96 sums in all, how many of it are correct? How many are correct?
Ma'am, 72 questions.
So how did you find it out?
Ma'am, I have taken wrong as x and sum as 3x, and then 3x plus x equals to 96.
96. So 96 divided by 4 equals to 20.
60.
Ma'am,
20.
72.
Huh? No.
72.
How 72? How 72? Rest can also solve, children. Rest children may also solve. Kindly solve it correctly.
Ma'am, 24 we got wrong. X we
24.
got 24 and we have taken wrong as X. So 24 are wrong and 72 are correct.
72 are correct. So our answer
Yes,
will
ma'am,
be
72.
how many are correct? So our answer will be 72 are correct. 72 correct answers. 72 correct answers. Okay. This is the answer. So children, 29 chapter number, think quick. These all are the mental exercise. Okay. First is if you want to spell out the number starting from 1. How far would you go until you would find the letter A? So Ananya has given the answer. The answer is 1000. 1000. Next is, which is the only food that does not spoil? Is there
Ma'am,
any
honey.
food which does not spoil? Yes, tell.
Honey.
Ma'am, honey.
Honey is the food which does not spoil. Good. Next, who will weigh more? A boy weighing 22 kg or a girl weighing 22,200 grams? So you can convert it into the kg. Divide by 1000
Ma'am,
or
girl,
multiply by,
22.2 kg.
or you can multiply the weight of boy 22 multiply by 1000. So whose weight is more? किसका weight ज्यादा
Ma'am,
है?
girl. Ma'am, girl.
Girl.
The weight of girl is more by 200 grams. Okay. Next, number 4. What kind of triangle will be formed if the sides measure 12 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 20 centimeters? So from the sides, you can get if all the sides are different, then which triangle will be formed?
Scalene triangle.
Scalene.
Scalene.
Scalene triangle will be formed. Scalene triangle will be formed. Okay. Scalene triangle. Next, a man is walking east. He makes about turn and walk a few steps and then turns right. First of all, he turns to east, turn few steps and walk a few steps and then turns right. Okay. Then again turns right. In which direction he is facing now?
Ma'am, west.
East से right हो गया, north आ गया, north से फिर right हुआ, then west. So what are you saying?
Ma'am, पहले about turn हुआ है ना तो
Ma'am,
फिर west.
east.
Now which direction he is facing? आपको ये बताना है. Now in which direction? Man is walking to east and he then about turns. Okay, he turns, about turns. Then he moves, then he turns right. दोबारा से right की तरफ चला जाता है and then again right. So कौन सी direction में हुआ?
Ma'am, east.
East, how it is east?
Ma'am, south.
Check it once again. How it is south and how it is north. So children, a person is moving to east. Again, he about turns. Then he moves to the west, then to north, and then now he is facing towards the south direction. Number 6. 2 identical buckets are filled to the brim with water. One of the bucket has a plastic ball floating in it. The plastic ball has a lower density than the water. Which bucket weighs more?
Ma'am, the bucket without ball.
Reason?
Because the ball has a bit volume, so where the ball is kept, that place will be covered by the water in another bucket, and
Okay.
the weight of the water is more than the ball.
Yes, this is the reason. So lowest the bucket weighs more without water. Number 7,
Ma'am, without ball, without
without,
ball.
sorry, without ball आएगा बेटा, यहाँ पे लिख लेना without ball. I have to erase all. You can write without. Bucket without wall. Write down. In the meantime, you can go for the next one. Bucket without ball. Next, number 7. The sum of two digit of number is 11. If you subtract 27 from the number, the digit are reversed. What is the number? If sum of
Ma'am,
two,
74.
if the, so anybody else can give the answer. Why 74 she is saying? What's the reason? How 74? I have written, but tell me how. If the sum of the two digits of number is 11, and if you subtract 27 from the number.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done like that. I have taken the biggest number, big numbers or two-digit numbers, which when added come as the sum 11. Then I have subtracted 27 from all of them number. I have taken four biggest numbers, and 74 is one of them. Which when subtracted from 27, I
27
got the
will
answer
get
as
that.
47.
Okay. 47 is reversed. That is 74. Good. A certain crime is punishable if attempted, but not punishable if committed. What's it? What is it?
Suicide.
Suicide.
Everybody is knowing it. क्या कारण है? Oh, sorry. Everybody know the answer. Suicide. C आता है इसमें, D आता है, S
Ma'am,
आता है.
C.
C is come. Next. How many square inches are there in square foot? So
Ma'am, 144.
I'm 144.
144 inches.
Ma'am,
144
square inches.
square inches. Okay. Next, let's start with the next part. I'm clearing the screen, children. Only one is left. You walk into a room where there are already 10 people who are 20 years old. Already you have entered into the room where 10 people are there who are 20 years old, 9 who are 19, 11 who are 18, and 10 who are 30. How many people are there in our room? So I hope you can tell. Add
Ma'am,
all the
40
people.
plus 1 us.
Yes. This is the
41.
main. Already 10 people, 9 people, 11, 20, 30, 40, and including us, it is 41. Okay. You can write down 41 including us. Write down. Including me, likh lo. 41. Otherwise, there will be a confusion that how 41 are there. So this was your worksheet number 29 we have discussed, children. Let's continue the next one. Still we are having time. So next is worksheet number 30, non-verbal reasoning. Choose the most appropriate answer. So children, you have to think logically and replace the question mark. So for the first, you have to see thoroughly and then you need to give the answer. For this, your answer A is correct as you had discussed. For this, your B answer is the odd one out. And for the next, which of these figures will complete the given figure? So you need to see to that which figure will be
Ma'am,
the,
D part.
yes, D part. I think it's clearly visible that D part is the best option for it. Next is, how many triangles are there in the given figure? So we need to say that how many triangles are there in the given figure. How many triangles?
24.
You need to, yes, children, you need to count the triangles, rest also. First, second,
Ma'am, 24.
24 is the answer, C part. Total 24 triangles are there in the given figure. Number 5, how will this transparent sheet look when it is folded vertically down the center? So you need to
Ma'am, A
find the
part.
yes, A part is the equivalent to say, sorry, this A part will be the answer for it. Okay. So children, till chapter number 30, we have done. I hope each one of you have done this. In next class, we'll continue with the next part. Okay.